Hi, welcome to Springer's Adventures. So today, a little something different for you guys. We're going to show you how we painted some Hardie board, which is a cement board, on the front of our house to make it look like wood. We originally had wood in this area. We replaced it with Hardie board, but we still wanted that wood look. We've looked for several weeks, asking people, went on YouTube, Googled, all that good stuff like that, but we found some things that showed you how to do it, but not exactly what we were looking for. So we figured, well, we're going to see what we'd found out there, give it our own twist, and give it a shot and see how it comes out. So I hope you enjoy it. Have any comments or questions, just leave them below. But kick back and see what you think. So this is the base coat going on. It's kind of a dark mustard kind of yellow. I'm going to put this first. Of course, this Hardie board I already did prime it with a white primer. So just giving it the first coat. Alright, so everything's done with the kind of the mustard yellow brownish color that I mixed up first. Let that dry. It's been on there for over 24 hours, so we're going to try putting some brown and wiping it off and see how it comes out. So I took my brown paint and kind of watered it down, and I'm just going to stir it up. This is what we're going to put on there. Just got it just a lot thinner, the consistency of the regular paint. Trial and error, that's all it is. Alright, so let's give it a shot here, see what it looks like. Alright, so we took a sponge, wet it down. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
How's that?
Yep.
What do you think?
Looks pretty good.
Alright, so up to this point here, we're just keep on going. Seems to be coming alright. It's a little like it's trial and error. Like I said, just keep putting it on. Letting it dry for only a couple of seconds because it seems like this stuff is drying. Of course, we're down here in Florida and it's warm down here. Of course, whenever you're painting in Florida, you got to have the annual inspector come by to check things out. What's up, bud? How's the paint job look? Can I get a comment? Thumbs up, a likes? Share it with your buddies? I hope so. You have to be impressed. Look at the speed of that little sucker. I guess he didn't want to come back and give me any more comments on my paint job today. Alright, so when we get down in these corners here, found it's kind of difficult to get in there with a sponge, so what I'm doing is just kind of dry brushing it. Have just a little bit of paint on there, and we're just kind of touching into it, getting down in there, and going that way, and trying to cover it up a little bit. And just catching the highlights of this Hardie board, and I'm going to go back over a little bit again. But I think you get the gist of it. We're just going to try to get in there. Alright. I guess it took us about 3.5 hours or so to do it. All done. Again, this is the Hardie board, the Masonite cement board that we put up in replacement of wood we had on the house. Concrete block house. We did have a couple things that had wood on it. There was the other section. So I think it came out pretty good. I don't know what it looks like from a camera, from your viewing screen, but like I said, we did it in them 2 colors. And just did the one, did a white down, kind of like an antiquing people used to do to cabinets. And it actually gave it really kind of a wood look. So I hope you liked it. Obviously, construction is not my forte. I'm much better at building cars and bikes and mechanical items. Not big into construction and stuff like that, but I'll definitely give painting a tackle anytime. But I think I came pretty good. If you have any questions, need to know those colors or anything like that, just drop in a comment below or send me an email. And as usual, thanks for tuning in and tooling around with Springer's Adventures. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and you never know what you may see. So, guys, take care. We'll see you out on the road.